Today though, I am preparing a journal that I created. This one, actually, you probably saw it in the flip through, and I've done a couple videos on it. It turned out so beautiful. Anyway, it's for a friend of mine, and so I'm gonna wrap it up to mail it. So I thought you might like to see that. And then don't forget the Friday giveaway. That's tonight. You can still enter, but don't waste any time if you want to be in that drawing for the beautiful 4 flowers stamp set. Then it's April Subscriber Appreciation Month, so don't miss anything. There are hidden giveaways throughout the month. All the winners are going to be pulled in the April 30th drawing, so you don't want to miss that. All the details and descriptions are in the April 1st video, which is linked down in the description. And let's wrap this up for my friend. Okay, so we've got this beautiful journal here. I want to wrap it up and make sure that it stays nice. So I have some mulberry paper here, which can be used also. So I'm just going to wrap it around it like this, just to secure it a little bit. And then we're going to wrap it again with some tissue. And I've got that here, just to give it a little special feel also. And I'm just using some tissue that I have at home. And we're gonna just wrap this up. And if you haven't seen mulberry paper before, it's very fragile. So at least this set I got is. And so we're just gonna wrap this up. And then I usually just try to fold it like I do with, you know, like a present. Just kind of try to be a little bit neat with it. And then I usually use some washi to secure it. And I just have this washi here, so we'll just use it. It's not my normal washi, but we'll just use a piece of this to hold it in place. I'll just do that. And then we'll do the other side. And then we're going to tie some ribbon around it also. But this just kind of helps hold it in place. I don't want anything tearing or, you know, breaking. Also, just wanted to mention, it's almost April 30th. And if you haven't checked out Rustic Playground, I am an affiliate on her site. So you can get 50% off up until the 30th. Use the code Cindy, C-I-N-D-Y, and check it out. All right, so then we're gonna take some ribbon. We're just gonna use this pink ribbon. It's the same ribbon that I used to make the closure, the tie on the around the journal. And let me open this. Okay, got this real pretty ribbon. I'm not gonna make it too fluffy, but let's do this way first. And bring it around. Let's see, probably need a little bit more. Whenever you do this double tie, you really do need a lot of ribbon, but then she can use this ribbon again for her own tags and everything. So we're just going to pull that around like this. We're going to flip it over and just tie a little bow here. Now you can tie it around the other piece, but I don't need to. I think this is just fine. And don't you love this satin ribbon from Dollar Tree? This is just so pretty. Satiny. Okay. So we'll just straighten that up and set that aside for the moment. Then I have some goodies, a goodie bag, and some goodies to bag up for her. And I have this little plastic bag that I just am gonna slide this in if I can without folding that doily. We're just going to slide this in here. I may not close it, but at least it'll hold it. So, well, if I take that one out, I can. So then we have a little bag here. And I'm going to close this. And then we've got all of this right here to send. So what I'm going to do though is I'm going to try to put all of this inside the paper, and then there we go. And then I'm going to put a clip on it to hold it together, because it's all going to go inside this bubble envelope. So let me get a clip. And that will hold it together like that. So then all of this will go in this envelope. But I want to write a note, so I've got a hidden note here. Little hidden tag. I'm going to write a note, and I'm just going to say thank you so much. And then all I have to do is put it back inside here, and then I'm going to, I'm going to tie it. I think I'll just slide it in here like that, and that'll be okay. Let's see, maybe I'll do it this way. Just slide it under so it doesn't bend. Okay. Then we just slide everything into the envelope, everything in there, and then we'll get it ready to mail. And that is packing up this fun journal to be sent off. Thanks so much for hanging out with me while I got that ready. Don't forget all the fun videos this month. I really, truly appreciate all of you, my subscribers, and part of my YouTube family. And watch for more fun videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.